Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. A literature review is a survey of scholarly sources, such as books, journal articles, and theses, related to a specific topic or research question. It is often written as part of a thesis, dissertation, or research paper, in order to situate your work in relation to existing knowledge. Today our topic is how to search for relevant literature fast for your research. Okay, so obviously you are searching for literature related to your topic. Start with creating the list of keywords on your topic. For example, our topic is, what is the impact of social media on body image among Generation Z? So list of keywords could be, social media, Facebook, Instagram, mental health, body image, teenager. Once you have had keywords ready, go to most important part database. It could be your university's library catalog, PubMed, Science Direct and Google Scholar, what we will be using in this video. Okay, now, I'm about to show you 2 more tricks to instantly narrow down your search and find much more relevant papers. For the first trick, you should first think and write down all the synonyms or subtopics of the keywords you are searching for. For example, in our research, Generation Z, younger generations and teenagers, all represent the age group we are looking for. And, now, pro trick. Use these things, called Boolean operators to help us refine the search. You can use these in all different database. Okay, now, you use and so all the keywords have to be included in the results, and not just part of the search, use or to search for either of the synonyms. And for terms you don't want in your results, for example, if you are searching for the fruit apple, and not the tech gained, we can use the minus sign to excluded technology, iPhone, Mac, etc. Okay, you can also use the double quotation mark to search for results with exact matches. So in this case, body image and social media. Once you have found a sources you think might be useful, make sure to read the abstract before diving in head first. You will get a glimpse of what the research is about, and know if it is relevant to your topic. Once you have found a source that is relevant, check its bibliography, and look for source titles that seem related to your topic. Often you will be able to dig up some gems. To identify the most important publications on your topic, then, take note of recruiting citations. If the same authors, books and articles keep appearing in your reading, you can also look at how many times articles has been cited on Google Scholar. If the number is high, the article is probably influential in the field, then you should definitely include it in your literature review. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.